Hello and welcome to UTS Library's Guide to HeinOnline. Today we're going to be looking at how to find legal journal articles in HeinOnline. To begin, you'll want to use the Find Databases tool under the Quick Links on the library homepage. This is a collection of all databases UTS Library has. Next, choose Law on the toolbar on the left and then scroll down until you find HeinOnline. You may need to choose Load More Results once. Select Available Online and then HeinOnline. You'll need to sign in with your UTS ID and password. Once you've signed in, you'll see the front page for HeinOnline. Most importantly, choose Law Journal Library. This is the database within HeinOnline you wish to search, and it's crucial that you select it, as without this choice you will not have important search features that will allow you to limit your search to Australian publications. Once you've selected Law Journal Library, search for the topic that you are interested in, such as limited liability. From there, you can limit your search by country and use Edit Type to limit to refereed or peer-reviewed journals. Click on the title of the article to find the full text, or click on the PDF icon to download it. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please choose Ask a Librarian under the Quick Links.